Hi everyone, regards to all the judges. Me Sheikh Sarfraz from Team Home Alone, Hyderabad. And here I have taken challenge number 1, that is anemic diagnostic for young women. So here what I have done is I have taken the basic principle and the idea involved here is calcium ion which is present in saliva. Because we are being informed that we have to go for non-invasive method. Therefore once you profile calcium ion, everything, all the ions present in the body can be profiled exactly and accurately. But how can we profile calcium ion? So this here I have brought an idea. How can we bring up?
So now the basic diagram involved in my idea given to me is this is the diagrammatic representation. Here the saliva is collected here, which along with calcium ion gets mixed with water and EDTA, EBTA, which acts as indicator here, and immediately it reaches the collector where the UV irradiates and the sample is recorded. The sample information, absorbance value is recorded, and the software which is already having all the calculation part is just interact with the recorder and gives an output, that is all the information related with RBC, WBC, blood platelets, etc. Because if the concentration of calcium ion changes, the entire blood profile will change. So now you can see the basic principle. Now the most important problem is the size of the RBC, WBC and the nature of the blood platelets. Everything can be solved by using the basic principle involved in UV spectrophotometry. That is, now you can see this is the RBC, WBC interaction, absorbance and emittance. And once they absorb and emit, immediately we can get this plot. Once we get this plot, can you see yellow line? The yellow line indicates a normal RBC, whereas the above lines indicates the abnormal and the below line indicates hemolysis or hemolytic RBC. Hence, by a single instrument we can give all information about it. Here you can see an eye which is indicating anemic, but however it's not well and good information. Okay, I thank you for this sharing this idea.